Okay, if you're someone who struggles making protein smoothies delicious, that way you're craving them every day, this video is just for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Jennifer Altman and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are gonna be making a very thick and delicious protein smoothie. There is a hack to making your protein smoothies a lot better than what you're probably making already. Be sure to stay tuned so you can figure out that hack. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's dive into today's recipe. Okay, first we're gonna grab our blender and our blender cup. This recipe is for 1 serving. We're gonna be adding our ice. Honestly, I could have added more ice to this recipe, but it still turned out pretty decent. And our water. Then we're gonna add our Greek yogurt. This adds in extra protein, which we love, and it makes it really thick and creamy. Next, we're gonna add our frozen blueberries. You can pick any type of frozen fruits, but blueberries are my top choice. Then we're gonna add a scoop of collagen. So I'm using unflavored collagen peptides. This adds in collagen benefits to help with our hair, skin, and nails, and it's extra protein, along with a scoop of my favorite coconut ice cream protein powder. And the secret to making this recipe super thick is xanthan gum. So I use 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. I want to do more than a half a teaspoon. Then the final product is a super creamy, thick smoothie. I make this recipe all the time. I love switching up with different fruits or different Greek yogurt or even different protein powders. Every time I make this smoothie, it's bomb.com, I'm telling you. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Until next time, peace.